So many social networks, so many ways to share. What I want to talk about today is not super interesting, but I think we need to talk about it. Let's go for a drive. What I want to talk about is how I'm using social networks to share my content with you. Is this going to be the most exciting video? No, probably not. If you're not interested, just move on and watch something else. And for those of you who are still interested, let's talk about it. So let's talk about them one at a time. First, Facebook. Now, Facebook is a bit of a tricky thing because generally it's associated with friends and family relationships. And I know people who sell on Facebook, and I honestly have a lot of mixed feelings about that. On one side, I'm glad people trying to make extra money and they have their entrepreneurial spirit that they want to start business and sell. But honestly, when you sell on Facebook and you sell to your friends and family, well, you really are just a spammer when you just selling the same thing over and over. And I don't want to do that. I don't want to keep talking about my products and my apps and so on to an audience that clearly isn't interested in that. You know, I'm not gonna sell Badge Guru to my sister, right? So what I want to do for Facebook is I'm going to create a page called #legal, and if you're interested in following me on Facebook, go to that page, follow it, and I'm going to post updates that are related to #legal. Next, an easy one, Twitter. I post whatever I want, I hashtag it appropriately. Anything goes, as it's being hashtagged based on the content of the message. Done. Next, we have Instagram. Now, I don't use Instagram to share family photos, so I'm gonna use that for my legal projects. If you're one of my friends and you happen to follow me on Instagram, I am gonna post #legal content and anything that is Lit Support related. If that's something you're not interested in, I'm not gonna blame you. Unfriend me on Instagram, no hard feelings at all. And finally, let's talk about LinkedIn. Now, LinkedIn is where I will share all the updates with you. From small updates to big updates, I will post live videos there. So anything you want to see from me will be shared on LinkedIn. I know LinkedIn likes when you upload native videos there, but I'm still going to keep all my video library, all my educational videos, all my vlogs on my YouTube channel. I will post a link on LinkedIn, but if you need to go back to old videos and you want to find something, that's still going to be on YouTube. One other thing I'm going to do on LinkedIn is I'm going to create a page called #legal where I will post all the updates. If you're only interested in that and you don't want to see my updates from work or somewhere else, you can follow that page. But I suggest you either follow me or the #legal page so you don't see updates twice. One more thing we got to clear up about LinkedIn. I know a lot of people want to connect with me on LinkedIn, but I prefer if you simply follow. If you follow me, you will see all the updates, all the posts that I do. The reason is I like to know who my connections are. I connect with people who I have worked in the past or I had dealt with, and I know who those people are. And I know it's cool to have a high connection count, but for me, I prefer to know who the people are that I'm connected with. So please use the follow button, not the connect. All right, if you're still with me and you're paying attention, I'm done. That's my plan for social media going forward. I'll see how it works out. There's just so many networks out there, so many ways to share. As a summary, LinkedIn, best way to stay up to date with me. on my latest projects. Now, if you're wondering where I am in Brooklyn, and I'm in one of the parks where it is totally legal to fly your drone. So that's what I'm here to do.
Yeah.